Hello guys, review smartphone TCL 20L Plus. This version 6GB memory and 256GB internal memory, model T775H in the black color device. And look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Adapter for charging with quick charge. Okay, close this. Device made of plastic. On the back side quad camera LED. On the front side 6.6-inch display. On this side power key and volume keys. On this side smart key and slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Upside headphones jack. Downside Type-C port and speakers. Speakers are good in this device. Okay. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information, display Full HD Plus, IPS resolution, 60 Hz, standard display. Results. We have Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 and Adreno 610 GPU. Good results. Okay, look into the benchmark results. Not bad. And run GTA San Andreas. Okay, game works very good on the max graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.